Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite YouTuber and your favorite person overall. Today I'm going to be talking about the missing piece of the puzzle in regards to the law of assumption. But before I get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things self-development. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. The missing piece of the puzzle that not a lot of people talk about is detachment. Now, you don't need to let go of anything. You can still manifest to your heart's desire, but still detaching. So how do you do this when, you're really wanting something? How can you be detached from it and manifest it and think about it 24/7. This can be compared to going to the gym, right? You can be detached from your results and still go to the gym 3 to 4 to 5 times a week and not check your progress in the mirror every time you do a set. It seems silly going to the mirror and checking every single time, although I know some gym bros do that, but it's pointless because you know that you already have it because you've done the work. You could be number one doing other things and manifesting other things, but when we grip too close to something, you're not concentrating on how can I have the best form. You're concentrating on your results. Your results are going to be there if you put in the work, so just put in the work. It's the same thing with growing a YouTube channel. You know what you have to do. Post regularly, every day, or as much as you can, and don't check the views. It's like I can't even explain it. As soon as I detached from the results, I'm still putting in the work, but I'm not checking how many subscribers I'm getting, how many likes my video is getting. My views shoot up, I get more subscribers. I'm putting in the work, in comparison to manifesting. I'm affirming, I'm doing this technique, I'm doing whatever it is that I'm doing. But then I'm going out and I'm having fun with my friends, but I'm still thinking about it, I'm still affirming, I'm still in the state where I have all of my manifestation, but I'm not sitting in my room refreshing my channel to check how many subscribers I have, how many people like my video, so on and so forth. What it is it gives you a clear mind. When you have a clear mind and you're detached from your results, you have more time and energy to keep putting in the work to manifest, and you just become a more confident person overall. It doesn't matter anymore because you have it now. It's the same example that I always love bringing up. Neville loved using this example. When the woman becomes impregnated, she's not worried anymore about getting impregnated because she knows that she's impregnated. She knows that the baby's going to come in 9 months. She's detached from the results. She's taking care of her body. She's taking care of her baby. She's doing all of these things, but she's detached because she already has it. So the two things that you need to do is, firstly, know that you have it right now. You don't need to manifest anymore. And number two, persist in your manifestation. Stay in the state. I would suggest manifesting at a minimum for 10 minutes so it goes into your subconscious mind. I call it the 10-minute Sammy technique, where say you want to manifest 100,000 followers on Instagram, so you would be sitting with a blindfold on, that helps me so much, and noise cancelling headphones, and you are either visualizing yourself having 100,000 Instagram followers, how would you feel, or you are affirming it. I have 100,000 Instagram followers. I have 100,000 Instagram followers, and keep steering your thoughts into the direction of that for 10 minutes straight. At a minimum, I would suggest doing that. But other coaches, which I very much agree with, say that you don't even have to do that because you have it right now. And so whenever you have the thought, you can be in a rocket ship tomorrow morning. Like, you can do anything that you want. You can be out partying with Kendall Jenner. You don't need to be doing all of these manifesting techniques. You don't have to have a manifesting routine because you have your manifestation now. But when you're partying with Kendall Jenner, a thought might pop up and you're thinking, damn, where are my 100,000 Instagram followers? You observe that thought, you don't identify with it. It's just like saying, I'm Britney Spears. Obviously, I'm not Britney Spears. I'm Rita Kaminskaia. So it's like that has nothing to do with me because I already have 100,000 Instagram followers. And I don't know about you, but each time I do this, and I've been practicing, and now I'm starting to see the results only after I've really smashed out of the park on this one, that every time that I think about my manifestation, whether it's a good thought or a bad thought, I feel that I have it now. Like, I feel excited, I feel happy, I feel successful, I feel like I'm excited because I'm getting opportunities, I'm getting more money, I'm getting flown out, I'm so excited, I'm so happy because I have 100,000 Instagram followers. It doesn't even cross my mind anymore, it's just an automatic thing. If I have a doubt, the feeling follows. To me, I'm not apologizing for this. Feeling is very important. You have to feel. You can be sad, you can be depressed, you can be whatever. You can feel sad emotions. But when you have these doubts, flip them and feel that you have those 100,000 Instagram followers now. So you don't identify with the not 100,000 followers. So that's very important to do. But at the same time, you're not going on Instagram and checking your notifications, right? You are detaching. This is a mental shift first. Everything is a mental shift. If you're still thinking about it, may as well be checking those Instagram notifications. Have discipline in your mind. When you start thinking, oh, I want to check my Instagram follow account, I have this urge. I sometimes have this urge. Stop yourself. Have discipline. It really quenches that fire inside of me. It really does. It's like putting a huge cold ass bucket on my desire to check results. When I say, hold on, but I have 100,000 Instagram followers. And I imagine it because I'm a visual person, you can do whatever you want and feel excited. And I'm not forcing myself to feel excited. I'm genuinely excited because I'm doing this properly. I'm genuinely visualizing and seeing in reality, this reality right now, 5:11 p.m., November 22nd, 2022, this second, this moment right now, I have 100,000 followers on Instagram. Wouldn't you feel excited? I have 100,000 Instagram followers. I feel amazing right now. So why do I need to check? And if you do feel that confident and you still feel the need to check, you can check because it's fine. Because you already have that, so it doesn't matter. You can check. I don't want you to have limiting beliefs. But you shouldn't be having that feeling that I want to check if you know that you have it right now. Kylie Jenner isn't checking how many followers she has. So why would she need to check? It's a waste of time. It just does it. Like, you can, obviously you can, but it's like banging your head on the wall constantly. It's like, okay, it's just a waste of time. Also, you're gonna get a headache from it. So why do you need to do it? The most important thing is to stay in the present moment, detach from results, and every time the thought of your manifestation comes up, feel that you have it right now, affirm it, visualize it in just a second. It just takes 1 second. Sometimes I admit, if I'm at work, I don't have time to really feel what it is that I'm manifesting because I'm distracted. But if you affirm, I have it all now, you don't need to feel it. If you're outside, that's why the 10-minute thing is so important for me. That's why I have to do that at least once a day, if not 3 times. Because I know that I get very distracted at work, going out, doing different things, so I do it as much as I can. Your power is in the present moment, so it doesn't matter if you didn't affirm. A lot of the times I'm like, oh, I didn't affirm all day, may as well not do it anymore, because I don't know why. It's like, oh, I didn't do it, so who cares? Your power is in the present moment. It doesn't matter what happened in the past. It doesn't matter what happened a moment ago. It's all in the present moment. So you can start affirming, I'm earning this much amount, I'm earning $1,000 a day, I'm earning $1,000 a day. If you start repeating that, it's really easy to not only repeat it, you start actually feeling it once you start affirming it. Because sometimes you say it robotically when you're distracted, and sometimes you have practiced, I'm hoping, to affirm it while you're also feeling that it's true right now, that you have it right now. Even if you are literally on a bungee jump and you're affirming, because you've done that work at home or whenever you're not distracted, you can also feel it without trying because you've done it so many times. I have this one affirmation that's very specific, and even while I'm sleeping, I sometimes wake up because I'm either too hot or I'm just tossing and turning. Like, I'm sleeping, but I still remember to say my affirmations. That's how real my affirmations are. That's how much I have started repeating them over and over and over again. It's gotten to the point now where I literally was about to say my affirmation instead of greeting you, because it's just on autopilot now. Like, whatever I want to say, the first thing that comes into my head is my affirmation. So I want you guys to get like that. And I didn't do the 10K affirmation challenge. So detach from results by knowing that you already have this thing now, and go on with your life. You can manifest to your heart's desire. You can visualize 24 hours a day, or you can flip your thoughts. You can do whatever you want. You don't need to let go of your manifestation. I would advise against that. I actually wouldn't be saying this if it wasn't me trying to let go, me wanting to move to New York, because it's gonna come to me in divine timing, and it took me 2 years to move. So I don't need to be telling you that, because you already know. You've gone through the ringer with law of attraction. I love law of attraction still. I do believe in many things within the law of attraction. I think law of attraction, law of assumption go hand in hand, but letting go is not one of them. So detaching from results is more important. You're not forgetting about your manifestation. You are detaching from the 3D. You don't need to check, because you have it now. Just keep persisting. With that being said, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, because I know you love this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.